Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy updo on short fine hair. To start, we're going to work in small sections and we're just going to create a loose curl throughout the hair. I'm trying to curl each curl in the opposite direction. So just work in thin slices of hair all the way up the head until you've got all of the hair curled. Next, take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And we're going to spray this all throughout the hair and on both sides. Now gather up the crown section of the hair and we're just going to smooth this back into a little ponytail. Make a small hole behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the hole to create a twist. Now we're really going to pinch and pull at the hair at the crown and at both sides of that twist to create a lot more texture and volume. Next, starting on the left hand side, I'm going to take a small slice of hair and twist it towards the head. And as I twist, as soon as I start to run out of hair, I'm going to pick up a little slice of hair from just underneath the twist and add it in, and then carry on twisting it towards the head. This will help give a little bit of extra length as you twist it to the opposite side of the head. Then slip a bobby pin through the centre of that twist to keep it nice and secure, and use your fingers to gently pinch and pull the twist apart to create more volume. And we're just going to repeat this on the right hand side, so take a little slice of hair, twist it towards the head. As you start running out of hair, take a little section of hair from directly underneath the twist, add it in, and continue twisting until you reach the opposite side. Slip your bobby pin through the centre of the twist, and then pinch and pull that twist apart for lots more texture and volume. If your twist is looking a little bit loose, just add a couple more bobby pins along the length of it to keep it to the head. And it is basically as simple as that. We're going to work from left to right, creating these twists and pinning them as we go, until you get a couple of inches just above the nape of the neck. Once you get to your bottom section, we're going to twist all of the hair at the nape. And we're going to take that twist from the right hand side and we're just going to go just over halfway across the head. Pin that twist to the head and then just loosen it up slightly by pinching and pulling. And then on that last little section, I'm just going to wrap it around my fingers to create a bit of a loop, and I'm going to tuck it underneath that last twist just so you can't see where it starts and ends. And if you have any little hairs at the nape of the neck, which you normally do with short hair, we're just going to open a bobby pin just to catch these little short hairs and push them up into the bottom of the updo. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.